Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Philips Smart LED TV with the fault. Sound okay, no picture problem as usual. Here the fault is with the backlight, so here we are going to replace the entire backlight with new one to avoid future repetitions in same fault. So here these are the old backlights and these are the new backlights. Now let's connect all new backlights and sockets. And at last we need fix panel, diffuser, sheets, panel frame and the display back to TV frame. See, finally work is done. Now we connected all sockets back to TV. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.